Hi, welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. I am going to show you the difference between a regular egg, and a fairy egg. Okay, we are going to peel a regular egg versus a fairy egg. And if you're not sure, a fairy egg is the very first egg that a new hen lays. They're very small and they're very adorable, and a lot of people want to know, well, what do they look like on the inside? So I'm going to show you. I'm going to have a little bit of water running because it just makes it easier to peel. And this is a regular egg, regular size. And I'm putting the shells on a paper towel because I save them for other uses. So I don't put them down my sink. But I do like to rinse them afterward just to get all the little extras off. Okay, so here is the regular egg. Just gonna stick it in a bowl here, and then here is the fairy egg. And I just want you to be able to see what they look like on the inside. Okay, so here's the little tiny fairy egg. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It is basically all whites. Okay, so here's the very, very middle. And there you go, all the way to the center. It's all whites. Perfectly edible and perfectly beautiful. Okay, that's it. Just a super quick video for you guys today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!